It got whoa. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tonitonzz once again, back with another video. So today I will be revealing or unboxing, whichever one, the BoxyCharm of May 2020. Yeah. That box finally came, and you know I had to give y'all a little video. Oh. So I got my little boxy box, and this box is called Mother Nature. So in the box, it comes with a card like so, and it gives you all the information of each product. Okay, so the first product that's on here is called the Glam Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Face Mask. It's a creamy, nutrient dense soothing mask with antioxidant rich berries and probiotics that instantly boosts skin's health, restores radiance, and balances skin's biome. This is what it is, and it retails for $49. What? This little thing, $49? Better be worth it. Check it out though. This is what it looks like. Smells good. It do smell good. The next item in my box is called the Jurlique Cosmetics. Hopefully I pronounced that right. The High Pigment Lip Gloss. It's this non-sticky full coverage gloss, moisturizes lips using jojoba seed oil, and provides a creamy full coverage pearl finish that glides on smoothly. Sorry. This bad boy, and it retails for $17. So I smell everything. Look at that. That's cute. And that's for $17. The next thing in my box is called the Pretty Vulgar Uncaged Eyeshadow Primer. Uncaged Eyeshadow Primer is a blendable, lightweight, skin smoothing formula that will enhance your eyeshadows by making them vibrant and long wearing. Infused with mineral-rich clay to absorb excess oil, it will deliver a crease-proof, fade-proof, translucent finish that is suitable for all skin tones. Now, yeah, that's dope. And this is what it is. And this retails for $22. $22. Now the next thing in my box is called the Hank & Henry Blickety Black Eyeliner. Introducing the latest addition to our slick within line of eye products. This eyeliner is a vegan liquid formula that dries down to a satin or matte finish. This formula is extremely long wearing and transfer resistant, which is perfect for those with hooded eyelids. And this one is, you see there, this retails for $17. Sorry. Look at that. It's definitely blickety black. See that point right there? Yep. And the last item that I have is the Tarte Micellar Magic Makeup Remover and Cleanser, the ultimate lazy girl hack. This micellar water is a gentle, no-rinse facial cleanser that removes waterproof and long wear makeup, excess oil, and impurities without stripping your skin's natural moisture. So it comes in the box like this. And looks like this, guys. Can you see it? So when you open the top, oh my god, just press down, boom, and you rub it all over your face. So it says, use this mess-free, no-rinse micellar cleansing water anytime, anywhere. Saturate a cotton pad and apply to skin on the go. After a gym sesh or to remove that full face of makeup you work so hard on. This baby cleanses without stripping your skin or making a mess of your sink. I'm gonna have to use this. This is a makeup remover and a cleanser, like 2 in 1. 2 in 1. That's dope. So as you can see, those are my 5 products that I got in my box for the month of May. So I will put the link in the description down below so you can check out the site and see if you like what you like, and see if you can subscribe if you want to, and you can cancel your subscription at any time. Okay, so it's $25 a month. You have an option to pick the base box, the premium box, or the luxe box, whichever one you feel like. Obviously they're different prices, so the base box is $25. I believe the luxe box is $50, and I believe the premium box is $30 or $35, around there each month, right? So, and if you have the base box, you can always upgrade. So just remember, this is only 5 products, 5 full-size products that you're getting. It's for $25, and all these products could add up to $125 or more. Like, that's a deal. That is a deal, okay? So far, I like what I've gotten. And I would definitely use this and tell y'all what I think about it. And in my next video, I'll be using these products and give y'all a bombdiggity.com look. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now, for those people that's just watching my videos and not subscribing, I see y'all. Subscribe. Why you not subscribing? I don't like that. Subscribe. Just remember, I'm here to entertain you. If there's anything you would like to see, comment down below. I listen to y'all. I give y'all what y'all want, okay? I give y'all what y'all want. Follow me on Instagram at Tonitonzz15. That's TONITONZZ15. DM me for any ideas you like. Comment down below for any ideas that you want to see on my channel, and I will give it to you, okay, baby? I'll give it to you. Okay? Right. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.